Rear air outlet installation tutorial. Remove the handle. The panel directly to up pull it apart. Be careful when you open it. There's a plug that needs to be unplugged. There are 4 screws in here that need to be removed. Remove the first officer cover plate. Clasp type fixed. Remove the small cover plate of the driver's seat. The screw here needs to be removed. Here's one more screw. Pry the cover off first. After remove the screw, a backward pull it apart. Here is a cigarette lighter interface. Unplug it first. The panel disassembled. Remove this duct and replace it with ours. The air duct here used to blow underfoot, and now we are going to upgrade it to the rear air outlet. This is a soft silicone tube that has to pass through this narrow space. This tube is relatively hard and cannot pass through this narrow space. We put this silicone tube and this plastic tube together, then use this heat shrink tube to lock it. This heat shrink tube has glue on it, so don't worry about it leaking. As soon as you heat it, it will dissolve the glue on it. Take this mat and place it here to separate it. Avoid baking the module to too high a temperature. Put the heat shrink tubing in. Just insert the silicone hose 1.5 inches in. Put the heat pipe in the middle. When using a heat gun, do not use too high a wind speed. The temperature should not be too high, about 180 degrees is fine. You need to keep moving to blow, you can't just blow in one place. Blow and roast slowly. Be sure to put a pad underneath to isolate it from the module. After baking, let it rest for a while to cool. Be sure to put a pad underneath to isolate it from the module. Connect the connected pipe to the air duct. Just push the tube in. After the connection is completed, take out the mat. Remove the original car cover plate. Move the clasp onto the new panel. Install the USB charging port. Connect the adapter wire to the front panel for lossless conversion. Tighten these 3 screws first. After adjusting it, lock the last one if there is no problem. Connect the air outlet. If the vent cover does not go back, pull the pipe forward a little. Restore lock back screws. This installation or no installation can be, depending on their needs. Wrapping the front foot to air with this will make the air volume of the rear outlet greater. If not wrapped and sealed, the air volume of the rear outlet is small. Compare before and after sealing.